This week we're making a super quick and easy dish for when you're really popping those headshots and don't want to stay away from the game too long. Can't hit those headshots, doesn't matter, you can still eat the food. Ingredients: half a cup of macaroni, half a cup of water, a pinch of pepper, that's ground pepper, not bell pepper, a pinch of salt, a splash of milk, quarter of a cup of cheese, in this case grated cheddar mozzarella mix, hot sauce, which is optional,
and some bread.
Take a microwave safe mug like this one, fill it halfway up with the dried macaroni pasta, then put half a cup of water in the same mug. I use a different mug for a measuring device. Add a pinch of salt to the pasta water. Microwave the pasta for around 2 to 3 minutes depending on the power of your microwave. Now to the main part of mac and cheese. Using the same useful measuring mug, add a quarter of a cup of grated cheese. This is a mixture of cheddar and mozzarella because, you know, stringy.
Grinding some black pepper and add a splash of milk.
Microwave on full power for a further 30 seconds. Now preheat your grill. Chop up a slice of bread into small cubes, or alternatively use some of those orange breadcrumbs you get in the box from the supermarket. Sprinkle the breadcrumbs onto the mac and cheese. And drizzle over a little optional hot sauce. Spicy! Grill the top of the mac for around about a minute. Keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn, but make sure those breadcrumbs are crispy. You can use a blowtorch for this bit, but who has a blowtorch in the kitchen? I'll tell you who. Plumbers and people who've got too much time on their hands. Cheese! Super quick mac and cheese for you to try at home. Don't forget to like and favourite this video if you liked it and favoured it. Don't forget to subscribe because we have to tell you to subscribe because no one subscribes. It's weird. Ding the bell if you want to ding the bell. It will let you know if you're subscribed that new videos are up. Please leave a comment down below as usual in the comment section to let me know how you got on with this, if there's anything I can do to improve it, if there's anything you can do to improve it. Check out our social media also below me down here. See you next time, gamers. I think I burnt the roof of my mouth.